for any company, big or small, international or local, a huge group or a single freelancer, it is vital to be clear about what their purpose is and what values they share. ABCC Positive Change Management follows three underlying values. Let me now to give you a short overview about it. ABCC was grounded on the passion for the change management as a pragmatic and solution-oriented business discipline. So the first value which I want to follow is focus. In any project work, there is a need to have a clear destination. The focus is very powerful here because it helps to filter relevant action and topic from less important at this time, which are not worth to spend money and time on. It makes teamwork efficient. Following this value, I aim to clarify the vision and strategy of your transformation, and later on I can very quickly bring other stakeholders to the main road when they start to go other avenues. I will always keep your project on the point. What is our objective? What is the target? They are my guiding questions. My next guiding question is, what is the solution? Because I strongly believe that where is the problem, there is a solution. And instead of making a 10th analysis and just complaining, it is much better to propose the next step and start. When we can start? Besides, taking action and thinking, they are not opposites, in my opinion. In my opinion, also, taking action is actually the best device to learn. Never stop learning. That also I repeat quite often. In my work, I do all my best to direct my energy, not only to complete the task, but also to create unique momentum and valuable experience for others. Positive energy. This is the next value I want to follow. Based on the Urban Dictionary, walk the talk means back up or provide what you say with action, represents word with actions, or practice what you preach. This is also my aim and my inner compass. I cannot expect from others something which I cannot offer. Respect others, keep your promises, and provide valuable feedback. This is something what I expect from my business partner and what I offer in 100% in return. Because also I want to be a role model for my values. Ready to work with ABCC? Looking forward to work with you and your team. Aldona Blondin, your positive change coach.